The Quote Screen tutorial. This tutorial will address using the Quote Wizard, querying parts from vendor, viewing notes, parts availability and selecting parts, Profit Protector feature, scheduling a job from work order, ordering parts, entering address and installation information. Click on Auto Glass Quote. The quoting screen in GQ7 has been changed to a tabular format, which eliminates excessive pop-up screens. Click on the Quote Wiz to begin the quoting wizard. The quoting wizard works as an aid in selecting the correct glass based on a series of questions. Click Next. Enter in your store's zip code. Your store will be listed first and select. Enter in the customer's callback number with area code. If the customer's number already exists in the system, you will be prompted if you want to use the account. If it is a new customer, enter the customer's first and last names and then a customer number. Click Next. Enter in the year, make, model, and body style for the vehicle. Please note that you can scroll to the maker model and point to select or type in the maker model and select. Select the type of glass. Click Next. The software will now ask a series of questions based on the vehicle and the part selected. Answer yes, no, or unsure. Depending on the answer to the previous question, you will be prompted the next question until the correct glass is selected. If an insurance claim, check and enter in the insurance information, the insurance company, policy number, and deductible amount, and click Next. If it's retail, just click on Next. Use this information on the next screen to review with the customer. Click on Finish. You will be returned to the quoting screen. Select the kit. The selected parts will now be queried from your vendors and return availability. On this particular part, there is a note. Click on the red exclamation point to read the note. When you're finished, click on the X in the upper right-hand corner to exit the screen. Click on the Parts Availability tab. The lowest cost will be underlined. We need to add the molding WFTD 1448, which is only available from PPG. Double-click on DW01584 GBNN from PPG and the molding WFDT 1448, which will also be added to the quote. Click on the Profit Protector tab. Click on Run Comparison. This will show you the profitability between your retail versus insurance rates. In this instance, the insurance is the best choice. At Document Type, from the drop-down, select Work Order. Click on Print to save and print the work order. The scheduler will appear. Schedule the job and click Save. The order screen will appear. Click on Order to order the parts from your supplier. The work order will be saved. To enter your address and installation information, please note that the address information can be entered at any time during the work order and invoicing process. Click on the Auto Glass Quote and then Open. Select the work order from the drop-down under Type and select the work order. Click on the windshield, right-click and select Glass DOT number. Enter in the DOT number and click OK. Click on the urethane part number, right-click and select Address Tracking. Enter in the manufacturer, lot number, and expiration date for urethane and primer 1. Please note that the date can be typed in, or you can use the calendar feature by clicking on the down arrow beside expiration date and then forwarding until you find your date. Click OK. Click on the Installation tab. Enter in the install date and time and drive away date and time. Once the correct time is entered, click on Save to save the information on the work order. At this time, you could also change the work order to an invoice and click on Print to save and print the document.